Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Facebook login error. So first of all, go to your settings and go to your apps or applications and search Facebook. Now after you search Facebook, click on it and click on storage. As you can see at the bottom screen, clear data and clear cache and hit OK. After you hit cache, then it would be working fine. Then if it's still not working, then go to your Play Store or your App Store and search Facebook and go to your Facebook profile. As you can see, my Facebook is on the latest version, so it does not need any update. But if it is not, then you should update it. Then it would be working all fine. If it's still not working, then you should contact the Facebook service, or you should just wait for a few days. Then the Facebook server would be back online and you can log in without any problem. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.